Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Diana Art. Let's start the video. Today I will be making a Druzy crystal dish, resin crystal dish, and it will be with the molds that I made on this channel, and I will link the video somewhere above and in the description as well. So I grew the crystals and make Druzy mold out of them, and I will be using this mold, one of the mold in this video. For this project I am taking very low viscosity resin, and I am working with glass cast, and it's 50. Glass cast 50 is very good resin for deep pores, plus you get very just no bubbles. I must say very less, but totally no bubbles because it's very liquid and very thin. So it's going I am measuring it by weight. So as you can see, I am measuring it. So I transferred it to a bigger container as I need a lot of resin for another project as well. So after mixing it, this is the Druzy, you might remember. It's from the larger dish, and this is the mold I ordered for this Druzy. So, and it fitted perfectly into the mold. Just making sure it's been positioned well and centered. So just removing some rough edges. So when I'm happy with my placement, what I'm doing here is I have taken this transparent blue pigment and just a very little teeny tiny bit, I'm adding it to my resin. I need very less of the pigment. I will be adding this pigment very gradually into the resin just to see how much I want, because I really don't want it to get darkened. So it's very less. I need to add some more. I think that's enough now. Yes, it's perfect. So before adding the resin, I will be spraying my Druzy insert with isopropyl alcohol. And very slowly I will be pouring this resin from one side. I will be pouring very slowly the resin into the mold and making sure I get no bubbles. In between I will be using the heat gun as well, so I get a very clean and sparkly effect. Just take the time in pouring the resin for this, because if you want to have a perfect greasy effect, you need to work on it. You just need to take care of these steps, because I don't have any vacuum chamber or anything at this moment. I don't know if I might buy it soon, but at this moment I am doing it without any vacuum chamber. So slowly I'm pouring the resin the amount I want. Again using my heat gun. This heat gun is actually very slow and very it's on low setting. please do wear proper mask and gloves whenever you're working with resin. We let it cure. This is actually about 2 days later. Because this is a thin resin, so its curing time is much more than the ordinary resin. It's been out of the mold now. And let's remove this Druzy silicone. So I did get some spilling, but it's really thin. I am able to remove it. So here I am slowly removing it from the silicone, from the mold, from the resin. And here is our mold, sparkly and clean. And this is the dish. It turned out so sparkly. Here we can see I haven't added any holographic or anything into this, but still it's so shiny, and there are some rainbow shine into as well. It's really pretty in person. And this is how it looks in the sun, sparkly. And this is just the resin, nothing I have added to it, just a little bit of the blue tint you have seen me, that's it. And the sparkle is because of that silicone. I'm just so much in love with the sparkle and the Druzy. So I hope you like this little tutorial and the result came out. And if you did like, please let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye.